Okay, students, question number 3 of 7.2, and it is to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shape school ground ABCD. Okay, so here it is A B C D. Okay, on AD, hello, we placed 100 flower pots at 1 meter distance, and on AB, hello, uh, 10 lines drawn. Okay, and it is also at 1 meter distance. Okay, now here Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line and post a green flag. Okay, so it is second line. Okay, and Niharika post a green flag. As like Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on 8th line and posts a red flag. So it is 8 line, and okay, he posts a red flag. Okay, after then we find the distance between them. So what is the distance between both the flags? If Rasmi has to post, or there is another student, Rasmi, the Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags. It means this joining two flags, if we join by line segment, so here Rasmi also post a flag, and it is in blue, and it is at the middle, it means halfway, okay, between these both flag. So where should she post her flag? Okay, so now answer number 3. Okay, okay, so here let A is origin, then AB is x axis and AD is y axis. So the position of green flag is as per the ground. Okay, we write here into bracket 2 and 1/4. It means into bracket 225. 1/4 means 25. How can the 1/4 of 100 on y axis? There is 100 flower pots. Okay, so this distance become 25 meter, and the position of red flag is into bracket 8 and 1/5. Okay, 1/5. It means into bracket 8 20. Okay, and let the position of blue flag is exactly halfway of the line segment is x into bracket xy. Okay, so now here I drawn this line. Okay, suppose it is line of this both flag, and here okay, it is a midpoint, it means halfway. Okay, uh, and their coordinates is xy. Okay, so here 225 1 meter, and here 820. Okay, and if we join them, suppose it is halfway. Okay, half distance between them as per we decide here. So now it is midpoint, so we use here midpoint formula. Okay, so here we write directly x is equal to x1 plus x2. It is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, so x1 plus x2 upon 2. So here x1 2, here x2 8, so 2 plus 8 upon 2, then 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So x here 5, as like y1 plus y2. Okay, so it is 25 plus 20 upon 2, then 45 upon 2, then 22.5. so here the blue flag is on 5th line. Okay, because x we get here 5, it means x axis there is okay, shows line. So here the blue flag is on 5th line at 22.5 meter. Okay, so it is answer number 3. Okay, now question number 4. Okay, so it is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points hello, minus 3 10, and 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1 6. Okay, so here we find the ratio. It means m proportional n. Okay, here whichever points are given of the line segment, if we join them, and in this, hello, this line segment is divided by this point. Okay, here point name is not given, so we decide it. Okay, so answer number 4. Okay, so answer 4, let the given points are a into bracket minus 3 10 and b into bracket 6 minus 8. Okay, so let the points p into bracket minus 1 6, hello, divides line segment AB in ratio m proportional n. So that we have to find by using section formula. On the first day I have taught you, okay, different formula. So there is one section formula, so you remember. Okay, whichever that x is equal to, hello, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n as like y. Okay, so this formula we use here. Okay, so here, hello, x of p, okay, because we use this p point divide this line segment. Okay, so x coordinate of p is equal to minus 1 from these points, and y of p is equal to 6. So these coordinates of this point p given, and x1 y1 minus 310, that is point A minus 310, and x2 y2 is equal to 6 8 as like here given. Okay, now we use section formula. Okay, so you see here x of p is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Or here x value of p is given, that is minus 1. Okay, it is here. So minus 1 is equal to m into bracket 6 plus n into bracket minus 3 upon m plus n. Okay, so now we give simplification. So m plus n we multiply with minus 1. So it, hello, minus m, then again minus 9. Okay, is equal to 6m, then minus 3 multiply with n, so minus 3n. Okay, after then, hello, we bring this m. Okay, we bring this m this side, and n we send this side. Okay, so here m come this side, so minus m, then minus 6m, and n we send this side, so minus 3n plus n, this negative become plus. So here minus 7m, and this side minus 2n, so minus minus sign remove, so there is remain only 7m is equal to 2n. Okay, and now we need here ratio, and ratio is in, hello, in this division form. So m upon n, so this n we bring this side. Okay, only n, it means m upon n, and after then 7 we send other side. Okay, it means this side, so it is going, hello, in division, so 2 upon 7. Okay, because these both are, hello, in multiplication form. N is also with multiplication with 2, and 7 is also with m in multiplication form, so that's why it is in division form. So here m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. So m proportional n is equal to 2 proportional 7. So the required ratio is 2 proportional 7. Okay, so it is the answer number 4.